2023 is here and we're tackling one of the most dreaded spots in any kitchen, the Tupperware cabinet. You know what I'm talking about, the avalanche waiting to happen every time you open the door. But not today. Today we're conquering the chaos and bringing order to your food storage game. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. If you haven't already, feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below this video and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. If you've been avoiding that Tupperware cabinet, I've got you covered. Let's dive into today's mission, taming the Tupperware chaos. I've decided to work on my Tupperware area that's part of my pantry. This isn't my entire family's Tupperware section. That is for another day. However, my section hasn't been touched in a while, so I figured today is the day. Tupperware section. Start by taking out everything out of the cabinet, then start matching lids to containers. Keep only the sets with the perfect match. Toss out or recycle solo pieces, worn out containers, and anything that looks like it's seen better days. It's time to let go of the clutter and make space for what actually works. Stackable solutions. Now, let's talk storage. Invest in stackable containers to save space and keep everything organized. Use a bin or divider to keep lids together so they're easy to find and don't go rogue. Arrange your Tupperware by size for a tidy, stress-free cabinet. Doesn't that just feel amazing? A clutter-free cabinet means no more wrestling with an avalanche every time you need a container. And there you have it. Another mission complete. I want to hear from you. How many mismatched lids did you find lurking in your cabinet? Drop it in the comments below. If this video inspired you to tackle your Tupperware chaos, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you're ready for tomorrow's challenge. Spoiler alert, it's all about the kitchen drawers. See you tomorrow.
Hey! Before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!